Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to tackle task 2.1, which is using the Morse code to blink your first name. So as a requirement for this task to be done, we'll have to have a computer as well as the particle IDE and a particle device, whether it's a photon, argon, in my case it's an argon, and having access to this website that shows the representation of the letters in the Morse code. A very good and helpful source, it's the particle documentation that shows you a walkthrough on how to develop and connect the LED to your breadboard using the particle device. So in here I have a LED attached to the breadboard, and it's blinking, and I'll go through how it's blinking and how we tackle this problem. When you access the particle IDE, you will have a blink example app that specify the input of the LED. So in our case, we have it attached to D7, as you see in here. So we're saying that the LED is on D7, and we're setting up the pen mode as an output because we're flashing the LED. And then when we use the function digital write LED 2 or 1 and setting it to high, we're saying basically we're turning on the LED for 1 second, and then we turn it off. And this is going to stay for 1 second, and then this loop is going to go over and over until we disconnect from the example. So basically we want to use the Morse code as a short or a long flash of the LED representing a letter. So my name, Yahya, is going to begin with a long flash, and then a fast one, and then 2 long flashes representing the dashes and the dot. I'll show you how it would look like after applying the proper timing for each flash. So we know that the dash is going to take longer than the dot, so we should probably have more time or more delay when it gets to representing the dash. So in here, if I run, this is actually the code that I developed for my first name. I'll show you how it looks like. So we know that my name begins with Y and then follows by A. I'm not going to go through the whole letters because it's 5 letters, it's going to take long. But the first 2 letters is Y and then A. So we're expecting for the Y a long flash, shorter flash, and then 2 long flashes. Where for the A, a short and then a long flash. So putting that into code with different delay times will give us this. So first of all, we have to flash the code and check for any errors. Flashed successfully. Now we're verifying to apply it to the particle device. So now we're going for the letter Y. So this is a dash, a dot, then that's the A, which is dot and dash. So you can see the difference between the dash and the dot. So this is the dash, this is the dash, where a dot is pretty faster than that. So it actually went through my whole name, but this is the beginning of my name. This is the Y. This is the A, which is a dot and then a dash. Yeah. So as you can see that the dot takes a bit shorter delay than the dash. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and thank you very much.